I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a step tutorial. I haven't done one of these in a little bit. I wanted to do a step called machine gun shuffles or shuffle pickups. It depends on where you learned it, and it probably has a million other names. That's the cool thing about tap, is that certain steps have like a million names. It's so cool. I love learning the new names. So if you call this something different, write it down in the description below. I'm dying to know what you call it. It's just one of my favorite things about tap. So anyway, machine gun shuffles or shuffle pickups are the two names that I've heard for it. I absolutely love these. It's pretty simple in its basic form. It's just step shuffle, or stamp shuffle, depending on if you're up on your toes or if you're on your, the flat foot. It's not a matter of oh, you're not ready for up on your toes yet. It's honestly a choreographical preference, in my opinion, whether you want that hard stamp or you want it to be a little lighter. So sometimes I want the hard stamp, sometimes I want it lighter. So it just depends on if your choreographer asks you to be flat-footed. It's easier flat-footed because you get to use your heels as leverage, or if they want you to be up on your toes. Once you have it up on your toes, it's actually harder to go flat-footed. So it's just a preference. So the basic outline of it is step shuffle. That's the basic outline of it, step shuffle. If you're going to be flat-footed, I accidentally did one, I'm sorry. So stamp shuffle or step shuffle, that's the basic premise. And now all we're going to do is add a pickup in between. Hello, baby girl. Why you gotta come interrupt this video? It's like the most dangerous video I have. So with the idea that you're just gonna add a pickup, that means nothing else changes. So let's say we're going from the flat foot. These are step, shuffle, and then pick up and land. Now, if you're going from the flat foot, you wanna land flat-footed every single time. Step, that's the idea. You just add that brush instead of going step, shuffle, step. You have that brush in between. And that's how you do the move. There's nothing more to it than that. All right, so you have stamp, and you do this as many times as your choreographer asks you to do it. 1E, and it can go 1E and a 2, or it can go 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. And you just practice and practice and work it up to making it nice and even. What you don't want is, so you want to time this part to where it's coming down, it's picking up and coming down evenly. So you want to make sure that you have everything lifted to where it needs to be lifted, and you're using enough plie to time that properly. Because you don't want it uneven. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. That's what you're looking for. And if you're up on your toes, it's the same thing. Step, same exact thing. So a machine gun shuffle, they call it that because it just has this constant beat to it. I'm keeping an eye out on the porch for Sayuri to be done. All right, so 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4. Let's try 8 in a row. Whether you're up on your toes or you're flat, let's try 8 in a row. I'm gonna go flat because, to be honest, being up on my toe, landing on my left foot really hurts my knee right now. So I'm gonna go flat. Let's try it. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5E and a 6E and a 7 and an 8. 8 counts. Ready? 5, 6, 7, go. Not bad. One more time, just so that we can make sure that we got it. It's a moderate tempo. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 5. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. So those are machine gun shuffles, shuffle pickups, whatever you want to call them. It's a short little video because I just wanted to show you that that's all you need to add to it to get that super cool 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4 move. It's just step, shuffle, brush step, brush step. I don't know what I'm saying. That's all you got to add to it. Instead of step, shuffle, step, all you're adding to it is step, shuffle, pick up, and land. Now, that pickup. We have talked about pickups before, but I definitely want to reiterate, if you're on your flat foot, what you do is put all of your weight into the hip of the standing foot. I want to say the right hip, but if you're on your left foot, then. So the hip of the standing foot, you put all of your weight into it so that you have control over the front of your foot. You lift, slap, and then land, transfer your weight midair to this hip. All right, so try on the left foot. So, and at first these are going to be rough, and it's okay. The more you practice, the better they get. So from here, put all of your weight into this hip, and as soon as you spank the floor with that left foot, your standing foot, you're going to spank the floor and land on this leg, put weight in this hip. Good. That's how you're going to get those. So if right now you're starting out and it's like not that clean, it's okay. It has to start somewhere in order to get good. So wherever you're starting from today, I hope this tutorial has helped you learn how to do these. The faster they get, the more fun they are, and the crazier they sound. So hopefully this video helped you learn how to do machine gun shuffles or shuffle pickups or whatever it is you call them. I have to let my cat back in, so I'm gonna let you guys go now. But I had a blast teaching this to you. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit the subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises, step tutorials like this, choreography tutorials, vlogs, challenges, and more. The more subscribers that this channel gets, the easier it is for me to offer these for free. And I don't want to charge you. I don't, so please subscribe. Hit that thumbs up button so that other tap dancers can find this easier. That's how you pronounce that word. And I'm gonna let the cat back in now. And as always, thank you for dancing with me.